Here's a storage option for the Pioneer 700 4-seat model. Here's the rear door. Unlike the 1000 over there where I've got the side panel hinge to open up, on the 700 there's no side panel here. Didn't really want an ugly looking door, so put one on the inside. I mean, it ain't great looking. Sure, somebody come up with one that looks maybe a little bit better, but there's a lot of storage in here. Had a bunch of crap laying around the shop I just threw in here. There's a wheel bearing and basically all the stuff I was using to do this job with. Hard to get this out of here if you have that door swinging. Yep, that's all. Drill. Another drill. There's a wrench. And just some more crap. So as you can see, you can put a lot of parts in there. Camping gear, other stuff. Whereas the 700 doesn't have a whole lot of storage options except for just a glove box. You can do the overhead bags, which is decent, but just thought I'd share that.